Student, I, Soumen Sir, lecturer in mechanical engineering. Today we are going to learn what is neutral layer and what is neutral axis. Chapter name: Bending stress in beam. AB simply supported beam, supported at A and B end. A point load W act at center C. This is the initial position of the beam. This is the front view. This is the side view, cross section of beam. This is the longitudinal axis. This is the beam position after acting of W load. Beam is bent in this way with a curve. Here NL neutral layer or neutral plane or neutral surface. At NL strain is 0 during bending. This layer, this NL layer, neither elongate nor compressed due to bending of the beam. Below the NL layer, gradually increase tensile stress up to extreme below end. Above the NL layer, gradually increase compressive stress up to extreme top layer. This is the front view. This is the side view, cross section of beam. In side view, NA equal to neutral axis. Neutral axis is an axis in the cross section of a beam. Neutral axis is perpendicular to the load. Neutral axis perpendicular to the neutral layer. Above the neutral layer, this is compressive stress. In side view, the compressive stress gradually increase. Topmost layer, highest compressive stress, and below neutral axis or neutral layer, gradually increase the tensile stress. Below the NA, extreme layer is the highest tensile stress. Now, what is neutral layer? One layer in the beam, that means NL, containing fiber that do not undergo any extension. In NL there is no extension or compression, thus are not subjected to any tensile or compressive stress. At NL there is no tensile or compressive stress. This layer is called the neutral layer of the beam. Now, what is neutral axis? Intersection of neutral layer NL with transverse cross section, that means RRE cross section, that is shown in side view, transverse cross section of the beam which is perpendicular to the longitudinal axis, in side view, is called the neutral axis. NA is the neutral axis. It is clear, my student? Thank you.